Introducing the 2019 Volvo XC40 T3 Inscription. 5. Door in stunning blue. This luxurious estate Jeep boasts a 1.5 litre engine, manual transmission, and a plethora of comfort and safety features. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, ABS to collision avoidance braking. This vehicle has it all. Plus, with stylish chrome accents, roof rails and a spoiler, you'll turn heads everywhere you go. Rest assured knowing this Volvo has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie today for more information.